What's going on, everyone? It's Max with Trades back with another video. So today I'll be going over how I lost $25 trading the Nasdaq. And to be honest, I'm just a little mad, like frustrated. What is Nasdaq doing? I've been on New York every single day this week and a couple days last week, and it's moving so shit because we're at all-time highs. Price action is so bad. I'm just so angry. Like genuinely, like this is New York. Let me show you guys. Like this is New York. Literally, this is New York Open right here. Like what? Okay, I get this breakout is at like 10:30. Wait, like an hour after market open, we just go up and no retest. Like, genuinely, what am I looking at? Like, this is supposed to be prime time trading. This is supposed to be the peak of trading, New York Open. And what the fuck is that? And that's not just like today. That was every day this week, at least what I saw, right? And I get some people maybe got some setups, but for me, it's just annoying because I don't trade shit price action like this unless it's Asia session. Asia session, not trading any type of price action. Today, I think I finally learned a lesson, which is not to short at all time highs, but to be honest, like there's so many bearish confluences on these like there's so many bearish confluences on this trade that I don't even mind it. And as you can see, did end up going lower here. We just got we ended up getting lower here, right? We took this big leg down, but that was literally right, like kind of after we got into this choppy price action where we got stopped. But I'll walk through why I think this short was a good trade. I know your all time highs, it was a little bit unconventional, but I don't mind the trade at all. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see I'll show you guys what I mean. So basically, first off, we had this unfilled hourly gap that I wanted price to retrace down to before continuing higher to push up to these all time highs. So like that's my kind of thinking. It was pretty simple to see that price wanted to correct itself, and to get a real retest before at least pushing higher or at least higher or maybe even to all time highs, right? So this hourly gap here was probably the big target for me in terms of shorts because I didn't really see. It's hard to find a long move at all time highs unless it's just straight continuation, right? Like you don't have those draws to the upside, but you have lots of draws to the downside most of the time. So this is one of those situations. And 30-minute, didn't see anything. It's just kind of the same kind of idea that look, we just kind of dumped literally like right after New York closed. Sorry, but yeah, we dumped a little and now we just wanted the short down here. That's at least what I thought, right? And I mean, apart from this, we didn't end up pushing higher, but we just ended up chopping. So like, this is like it was pretty bad. Like, the setup, first of all, I'm not mad at this setup. So basically, as you can see, Asia opened like right here, so we chopped a little bit. Then we took out this 5 minute high in Asia, this 5 minute high. So we took it out like this. Let me show you guys. Took it out. As you can see, we wicked above this high. Now, if I go to S&P, we can see how same high closed below, right? We closed below this high. So we have a 5 minute bearish SMT, right? So this kind of gives you that indication. Like normally you don't see these this clear of a 5 minute SMT in Asia, and that kind of gave me like really good incentive that look, we're looking for shorts here. And the fact we had this hourly unfilled literally right here, and like I knew, look, all time high we can take shorts, but like bro, like we have hourly unfilled. We can correct this, then go up. I don't see why we can't do it, and I guess we kind of almost did. Kind of, we got pretty close to it, but like we just got stopped out. So after the 5 minute SMT, I'm looking, okay, do I see anything happening here? I see this. Then I saw this 5 minute FEG form, very small one, 5 minute bearish FEG. Retested that one right here, and then we went to the 1 minute. Basically, we had this 1 minute FE. Wait. Yeah, we had this 1 minute FEG form over here. Mark this one out. And as you can see, literally right here, this candle wick, we came and respected that FEG. We had negative displacement, so I waited for the next negative displacement. So right here, and this is kind of like a 1 minute liquidity sweep with this liquidity, negative displacement right here. Enter this trade. I wanted to go break even here. Did not go break even, as you can see. Down, up, down, up. Got stopped with some crazy bullish candle right there. And then immediately after I stopped, look, he dumped, almost hitting my takeaway. I would have been so mad Like my take profits down here, which was just like these relative equal lows on not even too deep. I could have let it extend though down the year, but I didn't want to because you're getting rid of all time highs. So I just wanted to quick and easy target. But look, bro, genuinely, like stop loss didn't even close with my stop loss. We just got wicked, but thank God it did not hit my full TP. I would have been so mad. But we would have gone break even past this point, so I wouldn't have lost money in the trade because my stop loss would have been right there on my entry. I break even. So overall, just stoop really this is average Asia price action. I probably should have waited for a better 1 minute confirmation. But like in terms of fundamentals, like I keep saying this, I'm not mad at the trades I'm taking. I'm just like my position management needs to improve. Price action needs to get a lot better. This has been like what May price action has been the worst. I've traded every month this year, and I can tell you so far May price action has been the worst. At least for me, in terms of my models, it's definitely been the worst. Like it's been like I've got one or two. I've got two winning days, but one really big winning day, and the other days I've either haven't traded or just losses or break even. Right, so it's about almost a week. It's 6 days. I think it's 6 days. I have two winning days, two losing days. One was a weekend, and one was I didn't trade at all, or I didn't, I didn't, yeah, I didn't trade at all, or I think it was break even because I've been trading Asia pretty much every day, but New York I've only traded once this in the last 6 days because it was so like it's been moving so bad and I can't see any setups. But anyway, I'm not mad at this trade. Again, all time high. I'm just gonna stop shorting all. Even though if I see A plus plus setup, I won't take it if I'm on all time highs for shorts. I guess for the next for unforgivable time seeing unless it's like a really good setup and it makes sense. Like this made sense. That's what I'm saying. Like it worked too. It just we got unlucky with this top loss. But like I'll see. I'll see. It's dependent, but that's pretty much it for today. Again, not mad about this trade. Need better work on position management. Need better work with price. Need price action to be more compatible. And some days I shouldn't. If I see horrible price action, that's how I just not trade. I might just not trade. But anyway, that's it's enough for the day, and I'll be back on it tomorrow. So that's Maximus Trades out.